Welcome to the 5-Day Becoming You 5-Day Meditation Challenge. I'm really excited that you're here and that you've dedicated the next 5 days to your self-care. Congratulations, because meditation is a great way for you to calm your busy mind and get in touch with your inner self. But meditation is actually more than that, because it actually taps into our underlying physiology, and it taps into our brainwave activity and our underlying brain structure. So when clients ask me as a neurofeedback practitioner, how can I alter my brainwave patterns without doing neurofeedback? My answer is meditation. Meditate, because that will change your underlying brain structure. So, exciting? Yes, it is. So, how is this challenge going to work? Well, it's going to be set up in a 5-day online course, and my goal is for you to tap into the benefits that came out of a Harvard study, the most recent one in 2019. The participants did an 8-week meditation practice, and what it showed was that it appeared to alter how their brain processed the memory of fear, and that's absolutely exciting. So in the goal of this 5-day challenge, I want you to learn how to be more in the present moment. And I want you to learn how to cope with daily stress and challenges more efficiently. So meditation that we're going to look at is, we're going to be looking at it, teaching you how to do it in sitting in a comfortable position. It could be in a chair, could also be lying down, or it could be walking, could also be stretching. It doesn't have to be an extreme ritual. Rather, the consistency is what we're looking at, and that's what's really important. So our goal here is to sustain 27 minutes of daily practice, and that's for the purpose of tapping into the benefits of the Harvard study. But don't worry, we're not going to start out at 27 minutes. We're going to start out slowly and work our way up. So what will you learn in this course? Well, my goal is for you to learn the basic meditation and how to become more aware of the present moment. I also want to get you to learn the importance of meditation and how to make it a part of your everyday life. And so we're going to do that by doing the actual implementation of it on a daily basis. We're going to look at focusing on the breath, and we're going to look at different postures and different ways for you to meditate. And most importantly, we're going to look at learning how to manage distraction, because that seems to be what gets most of us in everyday life. Every day when we wake up, we have an opportunity to tap into our vision. We can tap into our goals and our desires. And what I know in my daily practice is that when we are more clear and we can picture these things, we can manifest these things into our life. So as we begin this challenge, I want to invite you to get clear on your intention. Why is it that you want to learn to meditate? And I want you to picture yourself successfully meditating on a daily basis. And I want you to open up yourself to the process. So let's start with lesson 1. We're going to download the Mindful Attention Awareness skill, or MAS, they call it for short. It's a 15-question self-assessment, and it's designed to evaluate your well-being, and it's also designed to evaluate your mindfulness. So it takes about 10 minutes or less actually to complete, and I want you to complete it before we start the challenge, and then again at the end of the challenge. Add up the scores on each column, and we're going to compare the before to the after. Now, it's important when you're looking at these statements about your everyday experience that you're going to use a scale of 1 to 6, indicating how frequently or infrequently that you're having that experience. But what's most important is I want you to look at what really reflects your experience rather than what you think your experience should be. So I want you to treat each item separately and answer each one individually. So let's dig in, and I will see you in lesson 2.